Hi everyone and welcome back. Today I'm going to share with you all a recipe for Bragg Mojito Refresher that's great for gut health. So stay tuned. Let me show you how easy this one is to make. Today's episode is being sponsored by Amco with brands such as Naturally Almond, McCallum's, Frank's, French's, Jamaican Mountain Peak, Caribbean Dreams, Bragg and Lucima. So let's jump straight into this one. I promise you all it's so easy to make and everyone is going to love it. Start in a pot with water. I'm using 8 cups of water, and to that I'm going to add in 3 pieces of lemongrass or fever grass as we call it in Trinidad. And we're going to bring this up to a boil for about 10 minutes, then cool it down completely and then we can use it. To a mug, add in 2 tablespoons of sugar, or you can use honey or you can omit. In goes some mint leaves and some chopped lime. Next, I'm going to take my muddler. You can take your bilner, something that you can press down with, and press the lime and the mint together with the sugar, and it's going to release the oil in the mint and it's going to taste so delicious. Now add in your boiled lemongrass liquid in here. Next goes in 1 packet of Caribbean Dreams instant ginger tea. Add that in, and then to each cup of liquid in there we're going to add 1 tablespoon of Bragg's apple cider vinegar. So for 8 cups, 8 tablespoons. I'm going to add in a few drops of vanilla. Feel free to use whatever flavor you have. Simply mix and enjoy over ice. This is so delicious on its own without the sugar, but if it's not sweet enough for you, feel free to sweeten it however you like. Serve over ice with some more mint leaves and lime or lemon if you like. The days are really hot right now, and this is a great refresher for you all to try or take to work. Try it and let me know what you think.